Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super cool and timely: how to download Instagram on your Apple Watch in 2025. With the latest updates to watchOS, staying connected on your wrist has never been easier. Whether you're checking notifications on the go or sharing quick stories, having Instagram on your Apple Watch can keep you in the loop without pulling out your phone. This guide is straightforward, but make sure your device is up to date for the best experience. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure your Apple Watch is compatible. In 2025, you'll need at least a Series 8 or later model running watchOS 11 or higher. If you're not sure, open the Watch app on your iPhone and check the General tab for updates. Go ahead and install any available software updates to avoid any glitches. Next, open the App Store directly on your Apple Watch. Just press the digital crown to access your apps, then swipe to find the App Store icon. Once you're in, use the search function. It's that magnifying glass at the top. Type in Instagram and hit search. You might see a few results, so look for the official one from Meta. When you find it, tap on the app to view details. Hit the Get or Download button. Depending on your watch model, it might ask for your Apple ID confirmation. If prompted, enter your passcode on the watch. The download should take just a minute or two, as these apps are optimized for the watch's storage. After it's installed, open the Instagram app from your watch's home screen. You'll need to sign in if you haven't already linked it to your iPhone. Use the on-screen keyboard or your iPhone for easier input. Once logged in, you can customize notifications and features right from the settings menu on the watch. One quick tip: if you run into issues, like the app not appearing, double-check your internet connection or restart your devices. Also, remember that while Instagram on the watch is great for quick checks, it's not a full replacement for the phone app, so use it for bite-sized interactions. There you have it, you're now set to rock Instagram on your Apple Watch in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected.